Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD by Pooja. So in today's video, I'll be designing this wall mounted double soap box that you can see on the screen right now. So the design features two square soap holding cavities, drainage openings for water removal and wall mounting provisions for easy installation. So let's get started. Click on File, New, Part. Okay. So now the first step is to build the base geometry and then we will be adding the functional details step by step. So select the top plane, sketch. Select the center rectangle, start from the origin. For the horizontal length, enter 200 mm. For vertical length, enter 100 mm. Now select fillet. Fillet radius is 10 mm. Select this corner, then this corner. Okay. Now select 3-point arc. One point on this horizontal line, the other point is on this vertical center line, and third point is going to be somewhere here. Okay. Now select this arc and this fillet. Make them equal. Select the arc again and this horizontal line. Make them tangent. Select the arc and this vertical center line. Make them tangent too. Now click on mirror entities, select this arc, mirror about this center vertical line, click OK. Now select trim entities and trim these to small lines, yes, click here, OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base. Now enter 22 here, click OK. So now that we have our base body ready here, so the next step is to create the soap compartments. So rather than creating both compartments separately, I'll begin by designing a single soap holding cavity and the protrusion, basically the soap supporting rib. And once that is done, I'll mirror the entire set of features to the opposite side, basically to ensure the perfect symmetry and reduce the modeling time. So click on this top face, sketch. Okay, select center line, horizontal, infinite length. Find the center point of this edge and place the center line on it. Click OK. Select the center rectangle, smart dimension. This gap is 15 mm. This gap is also 15 mm. Select this horizontal line and this vertical line. Make them equal. Okay, go to features, click on extruded cut and now enter 18 mm here. So 18 mm should be like enough depth to prevent the soap from sliding out. Click on OK. So now that we have the cavity ready, the next step is to create the soap support ribs. So click on this face, sketch. Okay. Now select the center line. Orientation is going to be vertical this time, infinite length. Find the center point of this edge, place the center line there, click OK. Now select the 3-point arc, start from this corner, point 1, point 2 and point 3. Okay, smart dimension. For the radius of this arc, enter 43 mm. This point and the vertical center line, the gap is 10 mm. Now select the center of this arc and this vertical center line, coincide them. Okay. Now go to features, select swept boss base. For profile, circular profile and diameter, enter 7 mm. Align with end faces, check on that. Click OK. Okay. Now this first rib is ready. Select the front plane, mirror, and select this feature. Click OK. Now go to reference geometry, plane, select this face and this face. OK. Click on mirror, and this time features to mirror. Click on this. OK. And now hide this plane. Exit the sketch. Click on this plane and hide this plane. OK. Now select the right plane, mirror, and features to mirror. Select this cavity and these soap support ribs. Click OK. Now click on fillet. For fillet radius, enter 3.5 mm and select these edges one by one, all 8 of them. And click OK. Now click on fillet again. Change the fillet radius to 10 mm and select these corners one by one. And click OK. Select the fillet again. This time enter 2 mm for the radius value and select this edge. Click OK. Click on fillet again. Keep the radius 2 mm. Select this edge and select this face, and select these edges one by one. Okay, don't select the edges. Click OK. Now select the fillet again. Radius 2 mm is fine, and now click on these edges one by one. Click OK. So the fillet is done. The next step is to shell it. Click on shell. Shell thickness 1 mm. Show preview. Faces to remove. This bottom face. And click OK. So see, now we have our body ready here. So the next step is to make the wall mounting provisions. For that, select this face, sketch. Select the center rectangle. Okay. Smart dimension. 210. 35. Select this bottom horizontal line and this bottom edge, collinear. Okay. Now select the center of the red triangle and the origin. Make them vertical. Click OK. Now go to features. Click on extruded boss base and enter 3 here. Okay. Now we have to make the screw holes. For that, click on this face, sketch, circle, make a circle here and a circle here. Select both the circles and make them equal. Click on Smart Dimension and for the diameter of both the circles, enter 4. Okay. This gap is 75 mm. Same goes for the other hole. 75. Okay. This gap is 5 mm. 5 mm. Okay. Now go to features. Click on extruded cut through all. Click OK. Now select fillet and this time the fillet radius is 1 mm. Okay. Select this face. Okay. Actually don't select the face. Clear selection. Select all these edges one by one. Now click OK. Now the only thing that is remaining is the construction of drainage holes. So select this face, sketch. Select center line, orientation vertical, infinite length. Place it here. Okay. Change the orientation to horizontal. Place it here. Okay. Now select circle here, second circle here, and third circle here. Okay. Now select all the 3 circles and make them equal. Smart dimension. The diameter of these circles is 5 mm. Okay. Distance between these 2 circles is 25 mm. These 2 circles is also 25 mm. Okay. Click on center line, vertical, infinite length and place it at the origin. Okay. Click on mirror entities. Entities to mirror. Select this circle. Mirror about this. Click OK. Click on mirror entities again. Select this circle. Mirror about this line. Okay. Click on mirror entities once again, and this time select all of these circles and mirror about this vertical line. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut, and through all. Click OK. So now we have our soap box ready here. Click on edit appearance and let's give it a color. Click OK. So we have our soap box ready here. Thank you so much for watching my video.